Alright guys, so I wanted to show you here exactly how to diagnose this no start, no crank that happens intermittently. Right now my car is pretty well. It starts, there are no problems, but to go ahead and kind of show you, give you an example just by words. So you go ahead and crank the car on, right? And just pretend right now, and it just cranks, right? Like the key just turns. This part turns. There are no lights, no start from the starter, no nothing. Okay, just absolutely nothing. So really, what you have to do, it's this guy right here. You press the brake, and you just kind of rock the car back and forth. And then when you hear this click here. So say you're in drive, right? Say you're in drive, and then you park, and then listen to this. You hear that? That noise right there. When your car rocks back and forth, that's when you are in the park safety switch. Therefore, you cannot move this whatsoever until you press the brake again, okay? So no brake, and then you press the brake, and that's it. When you don't get this rocking feeling whatsoever, if you're parking on a flat surface, and you go ahead and turn the car off and your car doesn't make that noise, that click, that's the safety switch. Your car doesn't make that noise, your car is not going to start. No crank, no start, nothing. And it's going to leave you wondering what's going on. That's exactly what this problem is. Really, you just rock the car back and forth until you hear that click. It could be a loose transmission wire that's being engaged here, and that is it. Okay, so you just got to make sure the car rocks back and forth slightly, just a little bit, and then you're good to go after that. See, look, perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed, learned something out of that. I'm actually gonna pull the Lincoln down because the tree here is ugly on these paint jobs. Don't mind the music. Thank you so much. Take care.